everyone, welcome back to another health talk show. My name is Cecilia Oluwasho and I'm your host on today's health talk show. And if you're new to this channel, Cecilia Oluwasho YouTube channel, welcome. On this channel, I talk a lot about healthy diet. I talk about DIY home decoration. I talk about DIY beauty hack. I also talk about different life hacks that can save us money. So if you're new to this channel, welcome and please subscribe. But for today's video, I'll be talking about another powerful food nutrient which we all need to incorporate into our daily diet. And the food nutrient I'll be talking about today is called sulforaphane. And the reason why I'll be talking about this particular food nutrient is because of the numerous benefits, health benefits that this food nutrient has. And I will also be talking about different types of food that are rich in this food nutrient. And sulforaphane is known to have a lot of nutritional benefits, such as having high antibacterial properties in them, having anti-inflammatory properties, serving as antioxidants, and also can help us to control high blood pressure and also to control free radical cells that could cause cancerous cells in the body. And here are a couple of foods that are rich in sulforaphane. Broccoli, which I'll be talking about today, is number one food that has been scientifically proven to be highly rich in sulforaphane. And other type of foods that are rich in sulforaphane are broccoli, cauliflower, brussel sprout, collard green, kale, and other cruciferous vegetables out there. But the topic for today, I'll be focusing more on broccoli because a lot of scientific research has been done to show and to prove that broccoli is actually very rich in sulforaphane. The scientific studies out there has shown that adults that take broccoli daily, which is rich in sulforaphane, can actually reduce and control heart diseases. And also, sulforaphane can help them to prevent high blood pressure and also to control free radical cells in the body that can cause cancerous cells. A particular study actually shows that take broccoli twice a day can actually prevent and slow down the growth of prostate cancer. Another scientific studies also shows that adults that have type 2 diabetes that takes broccoli daily can actually reduce their blood sugar. And in today's video, I'll be showing us effective way of how to prepare our broccoli. And also in this video today, I'll be showing us another antioxidant drink that we can actually take with our broccoli daily and have a lot of nutritional benefits. The antioxidant drink that I'll be making today, I'll be using 4 main fruits. Here I have tomatoes, which is rich in lycopene. Lycopene is another food nutrient that we want to eat daily. And here I have strawberries, which I'll be blending with my fruit today. And I have apple and I have carrot, which I'll also be blending together. So please relax and let us enjoy today's video together. And don't forget that God has created all these fruits, roots, tubers, and vegetables for our use. It is now left for us to make good use of this and make sure that we incorporate this on daily basis into our diet. This can actually help us to slow down aging, to reduce diseases, and also to prevent the growth of cancerous cells in the body. Please relax and let's enjoy today's video. So here I have my broccoli. I'll be adding coconut flakes to this broccoli before I microwave it. And I'm adding this coconut flakes to give this broccoli some taste. Here's the broccoli. I'll be adding 100% honey on this. And the next thing I'm going to do is to microwave this broccoli between 1 to 2 minutes. I'm microwaving the broccoli. I'll be blending the antioxidant drink, which I'll be taking with this broccoli. And I'll be adding a glass cup of water. Here's the broccoli. I microwaved the broccoli for less than 2 minutes, and here is it. So you can have this with a cup of antioxidant drink in the morning and you'll be good to go. A broccoli is actually rich in sulforaphane, and sulforaphane has a lot of nutritional benefit and is one of the food nutrients we want to try to incorporate into our daily food. And until next time, when I'm bringing you another video on Health Talk Show, thank you so much for watching till the end. And I love you all. Bye for now.